Imagine this. You're sitting at your desk at 11:47 p.m., finishing a project for a client who's in a different time zone, juggling two more deadlines, balancing invoices, proposals, taxes, and suddenly you feel a sharp pain in your chest. Or your vision blurs. Or your stomach drops. And in that split second, a terrifying thought hits you. I don't have employer insurance. If something happens to me, how am I going to pay for it? Freelancers don't get HR departments. They don't get corporate-backed health plans. There's no safety net waiting in the wings. For millions of independent workers across the United States, one unexpected medical bill can destroy months, sometimes years of progress. That fear isn't dramatic. It's real. And today, we're going to eliminate it completely. Because here's the truth. Freelancing gives you freedom, creativity, independence, but it also gives you responsibility, a lot of it. And nowhere is that responsibility heavier than in your health coverage. The U.S. insurance system doesn't bend for freelancers. It demands that you understand it and navigate it with strategy. But once you learn how it works, once you understand the options, the costs, the loopholes, and the protections, you gain power. Real power. The power to choose plans that match your income, your risk level, your lifestyle, and your financial goals. The power to reduce your premiums legally. The power to avoid the bills that sink businesses before they even grow. In the next few minutes, you're going to learn everything you need to protect your health and your income as a freelancer. And by the end of this video, you won't just be insured, you'll be secure. Let's start with the foundation that every freelancer in America needs to understand. Chapter 1. Understanding your risk as a freelancer. When you work for a company, you're part of a group. The employer negotiates your rates, shares your costs, and shields you from sudden premium spikes. But as a freelancer, you are the group. You carry the full weight of your insurance decisions. That means your first step is understanding your personal risk profile. Do you have ongoing medical conditions? Do you take prescriptions? Do you visit doctors regularly? If not, do you live an active lifestyle where injuries are possible? Every part of your life becomes a factor in choosing your plan. Another piece of risk. Income volatility. Freelancers can earn 5 figures one month and nearly nothing the next. That inconsistency makes it crucial to choose coverage that protects you during low-income months. For example, a high-deductible plan might seem appealing until you need a sudden $3,000 procedure during a slow month. On the flip side, a higher monthly premium might give you predictable expenses that stabilize your long-term budgeting. And then there's the mental health side. Freelancing is stressful. Therapy coverage matters. Preventive care matters. Your risk isn't just physical, it's emotional and financial. Once you understand your risk clearly, the next step is learning the tools that make insurance affordable for freelancers. Chapter 2. Marketplace plans and subsidies. Every freelancer should use. Here's where most freelancers leave money on the table. The Affordable Care Act marketplace is built for people like you, people who don't have employer coverage, whose income fluctuates, and who need flexible, customizable options. Marketplace subsidies are based on your yearly income. That means a freelancer making $30,000 can qualify for a dramatically lower monthly premium than someone making $90,000, even if the plans are identical. In 2026, many freelancers pay as little as $0.50 a month after subsidies. Yet thousands still overpay because they choose private plans without checking marketplace eligibility. The key is estimating your income realistically. Don't highball it. Don't lowball it. Use your last 12 months to create an accurate forecast. If your income changes mid-year, you can update your marketplace profile and adjust your subsidy instantly. Another powerful tool is the Silver Plan category. Silver plans unlock cost-sharing reductions, lower deductibles, lower copays, lower out-of-pocket maximums for freelancers with moderate incomes. It's like getting a gold-level plan for a silver-level price. And don't forget, open enrollment isn't your only window. Life events, moving, losing coverage, changes in income open special enrollment periods. Once you understand marketplace options, it's time to explore other tools that freelancers often overlook. Chapter 3. HSAs, HDHPs, and smart tax strategies for freelancers. Freelancers don't just need coverage. They need strategy. Health savings accounts, HSAs, are one of the most powerful financial tools available, and most independent workers don't use them. An HSA pairs with a high-deductible health plan, HDHP, and together, they create a system that reduces taxes, lowers long-term costs, and builds financial protection. Every dollar you put into your HSA is tax deductible. Every dollar you withdraw from medical expenses is tax-free. Every dollar you invest inside an HSA grows tax-free. It's the only triple tax advantage account in America. But here's the catch. An HDHP isn't right for everyone. If you have frequent health needs or ongoing prescriptions, the high deductible could cost you more than you save. But if you're generally healthy, only need occasional care, or want a long-term savings tool, HSAs can change your entire financial strategy. And here's a freelancer advantage. Your HSA contributions lower your taxable income, which can increase your marketplace subsidy. It's a double win. The key is balance. Use your HSA for future emergencies. Use your marketplace subsidies to reduce monthly costs. Now let's talk about a challenge many freelancers face: coverage gaps. Chapter 4. Avoiding gaps, scams, and low-quality freelancer plans. When freelancers look for insurance, they're often targeted by plans that look affordable but hide huge risks. Association health plans, fixed indemnity plans, and short-term plans often advertise low premiums but offer almost no real protection. They don't cover pre-existing conditions. They exclude major types of care. They cap benefits at shockingly low levels. One unexpected hospital visit can wipe you out financially. Freelancers must be cautious. If a plan sounds too cheap, too flexible, or too simple, it's a red flag. Real insurance has structure, networks, deductibles, and legal protections. Next, let's talk about coverage gaps. Many freelancers forget that changing plans resets deductibles. Switching too early or too late can cost thousands. Others miss deadlines and end up uninsured for months. Always set reminders for open enrollment. Always review your coverage 30 days before renewal. And always confirm whether a move, income change, or life event triggers a special enrollment period. Protecting yourself as a freelancer means knowing the difference between a real plan and a risky one. And now, let's bring everything together with the strategies that give freelancers long-term stability. Chapter 5. The Freelancer's Roadmap to Affordable, Stable Health Coverage. This is where everything comes together. First, create a yearly insurance strategy. Look at your expected income, health risks, and major life events. Build a plan around them. Second, track your deductible throughout the year. If you're close to meeting it, schedule any outstanding tests or appointments before December 31st. Third, build an emergency medical fund, even if it's small. A few $100s can bridge you through unexpected expenses. Fourth, use your HSA as your long-term health savings engine. Invest what you can. Over time, an HSA becomes a powerful asset, especially for freelancers without pension plans. Fifth, review marketplace plans every year. Networks change. Prices change. Subsidies change. Don't auto-renew. Sixth, negotiate medical bills when necessary. Freelancers are cash customers, and many providers offer discounts for upfront payment. Seventh, join communities and organizations that offer vetted insurance guidance, not plans, but guidance. Surround yourself with people who understand the system. Finally, treat your health like a business investment. Because it is. Every dollar saved, every bill avoided. Every smart choice made, it all protects your ability to keep creating, keep earning, and keep building the life you want. And now, here is the truth every freelancer needs to hear. Your greatest asset isn't your skill, your equipment, or your client list, it's your health. Without it, your business stops. Your income stops. Everything stops. But with the right knowledge, you gain freedom. You gain protection. You gain peace of mind. Today, you learn not just how to buy insurance, but how to use it strategically, intentionally, powerfully. You learned how to avoid gaps, reduce costs, and build a system that supports your life as an independent creator. Because freelancing isn't just work, it's a lifestyle. A choice. And now you have the tools to protect that choice. So move forward with confidence. Build with clarity. And remember, independence is only powerful when it's protected.